welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. I just want to say thank you for all the people that greeted me on my birthday, and especially for those people that have given me gifts. Thank you so much. And I also wanted to thank the Lord for giving me another year of my life to spend it with the people that I love, my husband and my kids and my families too. So thank you so much, God, for another year. And yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing to you what makeup look that I did on that day. I didn't plan on doing a particular look, but I know in myself that I wanted something a little goldish and cranberryish. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with. So if you want to know how I did this look, then let's get started.
As always, we need to apply an eyeshadow primer onto our lids so that our eyeshadow will last the entire day. First, I'm going to be using this mid-tone brown colored eyeshadow, of course, to warm up the lids, and also this serves as our transition color. Next, I'm going to be deepening up that crease area using this darker brown eyeshadow. Just applying this onto my crease area, actually, just giving more definition there. And then I will be using this gold jumbo pencil and applying it onto my mobile lids. This is going to be our base for the eyeshadow that we will be using. Next, I'm going to be using this cranberry colored shade eyeshadow and applying this onto the inner and outer portion of the mobile lid, like so. Next, I'm going to be taking this pretty gold eyeshadow and I will be applying this onto the center of the eyelids where I did not apply any cranberry eyeshadow. This also makes the look more three-dimensional and it's so pretty. Then taking that same darker brown colored eyeshadow again and use this to blend our edges. To deepen more the eye look, I will be taking this black eyeshadow and applying this onto the outer V portion of the eyes to give more depth and definition. Just make sure to be light-handed and use a teeny amount of product because you could still add a little if you needed more. And I will be taking this cream eyeshadow as our highlight and also helps in blending the edges of our eyeshadow. Now it's time for wing eyeliner time. Yes, I always do wing eyeliner because I like it. I like the look of having a wing eyeliner. And also don't forget to tightline your upper waterline. And then apply your favorite mascara. Here I'm just using one coat of this mascara because I will be applying falsies, of course. Now I'm giving it a little curl and apply some falsies because I love falsies. Now it's time for the face. I will be using this face primer, brightening face primer from Pore Patty. It really helps in controlling my oil, so I love this. And first, I will be brightening up my under eye area here because it looks a little dark. And of course, since it's my birthday, I will be using my favorite BB cream from Misha, and I'm just using here my fingers to blend because I don't want a very heavy coverage because it's so hot outside. Then I will just be filling my brows, my very sparse brows, like so. And of course, I will be applying an eyebrow mascara onto my unruly brow hairs, and this also helps in making my brows look more natural rather than it looking super drawn. And now it's powder time, not too much because we don't want any cakiness on our face. And also don't forget to give back definition. Give your face a little contour, not too much because it's so hot, it will melt. Now I'm just applying the jumbo pencil into the just into the lower lash line as our base, and then applying that cranberry colored eyeshadow into the outer and inner portion of that lower lash line, and into the center the gold eyeshadow. Now I'm just using this beige colored eyeliner onto my waterline and applying a little mascara onto the lower lash line. And also don't forget to apply your blush so that it so that it will give back life to your face. And also this portion is my favorite, put applying highlighter into the high points of my face. So for this look, I will just be using this Tint Balm from Etude House because it's so hydrating to the lips. My lips has been super dry lately, and also this creates balance to our very dramatic eyes. So yeah, this is the look that I wore on my birthday. I hope you'd like it because I really love this. I did not expect that it would turn out like this, and I'm so proud of myself. So now I will just be showing to you what I wore or my outfit on that day. So just a pretty simple jeans with this very lacy top and a statement necklace. Hope you give this look a try on your birthday, and if you did, please hashtag me at BeYouTyAndBeyond because I love to see your own versions of this look. And if you happen to like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And remember, makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care, everyone.